to the online classes. In the last class we have learnt about about the Mauryans. So now let us go to the next topic, that is about Kushans. So in this session we are going to learn about the history of Kushans administration and also what were the contributions of that is Kanishka, and also we are going to learn about the Gandhara style Buddha. About this, so we having a detailed note as well as some important images regarding this session. After the Greeks, it has been the Kushans who have influenced Indian history and culture. They gave special impetus to the spread of Buddhism. The Mahayana sect received greater encouragement under their patronage. Gandhara's culture flourished during their time. An important dynasty after the Mauryans is that of the Kushans. They were basically from a nomadic tribe which had migrated to India from Central Asia. They were the progeny of Yuchi. The Sakas and the Parthians were the other foreign communities that had settled in the northwestern part of India. The Kushans defeated the Sakas and the Parthians and settled in the Gandhara region. The founder of this dynasty was Kujala Kadphises. Vimala Kadphises and Kanishka are the noteworthy king of this dynasty. The Yuchis were basically tribals. The Yuchi factions became united under the leadership of Kujala Kadphises. He crossed the Hindu Kush range and settled in Kabul and Kashmir. During the time of Vimala Kadphises, gold coins were brought out into circulation. From then onwards, the Kushans minted mainly gold and copper coins. Kanishka came after Vimala Kadphises. During his reign, the Kushan dynasty expanded greatly. He established his rule in 78 CE and heralded a new era. This era is called the Shaka era. Kanishka's rule had spread up to Sanchi in the south and Banaras in the east. His kingdom, which included Central Asia too, was a vast empire. Purushapura was his capital. Mathura was another significant town of his time. Due to the patronage given by Kanishka, Buddhism could prosper. We get to see many Buddhist scholars like Ashvaghosha, Vasumitra, Sangharaksha and others during his time. The fourth Buddhist conference was held at Kashmir under the leadership of Kanishka. Like Ashoka, even Kanishka sent missions to Central Asia and China to spread Buddhism. During his reign, art and architecture got encouragement. You can see the Gandhara style of Buddha. So dear children, we have learnt about the Kushans and the founder of the dynasty, that is Kujala Kadphises, Vimala Kadphises and the Kanishka, who were the noteworthy kings of this dynasty, and also about the administration and contributions of Kanishka, as well as the Buddhism and Kanishka and the Gandhara style of Buddha. So please go through the lesson, and also please go through the important images and pictures which are in this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.